My name's Taylor McInnes. I am a co-owner with my father of Dockmasters Plus. We're a full-service marine construction company. We work on docks, boat lifts, anything in that realm, and we're here to help. I'm passionate about what I do, number one, because I enjoy being on the water. I grew up here in Palm Beach County, and I've been on the water my entire life. And I just like to help people, protect their investment. That's really kind of what we're in the industry of. Once you put a beautiful dock on your property and a boat lift as well, your investment skyrockets, especially if we use the Lumberock material. Your investment's gonna stay just like it does the day I put it down for the longevity of your dock, really.
My name is Mitch McGinnis, working with Dockmasters Plus. Been working in the marine industry for the last 25, 30 years. Jobs like this, doing a redeck. This dock actually was struck by a boat, so it smashed everything in its path. But we like rebuilding and just seeing the finished product when we're done. I believe my son is one of the best in the country as far as that goes on working on boat lifts. We do have our differences where we don't agree, but the one thing we do agree on, Lumberock is the best product out there as far as we can see to use on a dock anywhere. Never gonna rot, it doesn't warp, it doesn't bow. You can fix a scratch very easily in it if you happen to get one.
The main reason we use Lumberock exclusively is the workability. It works just like a regular piece of wood. Most of the other competitors, they have a shell that goes around and a bunch of fillers inside of the shell. And I've noticed that Lumberock, there is no shell. It's 100% through and through composite material. We can cut it any way we want. We can route any edge that we want, and it will finish just like it does from the factory. My philosophy on it is, if you're gonna do it, let's do it right, and you don't have to worry about it. It's maintenance free. It's gonna hold its color, never fades, never rots, and put it down and forget about it.